Happy Friday. Oh, shucks, I don't have a cup. Happy Friday. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're still here. Welcome. Sorry for taking long. Let's do this. It's a Friday. Okay, what's happening? It's a Friday. Don't forget to like and subscribe as you're coming through. Just jump in on the comment. Tell me where you're watching from and your name. Let's engage while I'm doing my daily analysis. What's happening with my PC? Okay. Okay. Let's see, man. Is that a day first that I took a break even? Was it yesterday? Oh, yes, yesterday. But let's get into it. Previous daily high, previous daily high, suppose. Sorry. I spoke about this yesterday. If it closes, our draw of liquidity will be this 4 hour time frame, yeah? This 4 hour fair value gap, I suppose, that will be the draw of liquidity. Um, but now we are done with that. Are we gonna hold the previous daily low? Are we gonna are we gonna get a continuation? I don't know. Let's see. But just jump on in the comment section. Tell me where you're from, and do not forget to subscribe as we do the daily analysis. Push to the upside. Let me see the 1 hour time frame. Okay. We could get. Let's see what's happening here. I'm very interested to see what's gonna happen here. When I can go to the 1 hour time frame, because right now I don't have any buyers yet. Oh. Let's see 15 minutes time frame. Interesting. Okay. So today, looking at the session ranges, we just taken out Asia low and we continue distribution to the upside. So it used like an Asia session as a consolidation manipulated and distributed to the upside. I could be bearish tonight. So AM session low was taken. S&P 500 failed to take the AM session low, while Nasdaq did take the AM session low. So I am bearish, to be honest, going into the PM session because there is SMT on the 15 minutes time frame, and within that there is this 15 minutes fair value gap that will work as my draw of liquidity as well. I'm more interested into that. Let's see. Also, if we're to look at S&P 500 AM session low, also lunch hour range, a point of interest for me. A point of interest for me right now. But let's see what happens. Look, there's a 55 minutes fair value gap here. I am bearish tonight. There is a 5 minutes fair value gap. I am gonna wait for a conclusive close below this low. If we get a proper close below there, I will look for lower prices. I will look for lower prices. And then one thing I love about it will have already invaded that 5 minutes fair value gap if it does what I said on Nasdaq. Um, and then it will give also an invasion of this 5 minutes, something like that. So I'm interested in shorting. So I am very short tonight. And how's your week? I am bearish. What about you guys? One thing I love about it, we are holding that 5 minutes where we look at. Um, Other possibilities that I'm not interested in trading them, it's if we get that 5 minutes invasion, there is a possibility of coming back to that high. But I'm not interested in that. I am more interested in a closure below and a retest there to look for lower prices. I think I'm interested in that. Looking at the lunch hour range here and this 15 minutes fair value gap. Within that 15 minutes fair value gap, there is a 5 minutes fair value gap as well. So I am more interested in that range. I mean, coming lower given the circumstances. But let's see. Oh, look at that. Look at that. If that closes like this, I'm gonna prepare to go short. Interesting. Let's see what happens here. My trading week, man. Sorry. My trading week's been okay, man. I think my trading week this week, I'm down. It's been slow most of the days, given that during the AM session has been massive news. So most of the days has been, oh shucks. Most of the days has been slow, I guess. Let me see. Okay. Most of the days has been slow. Let me just quickly open the comment section here. Most of the days has been slow. It's still failing to. I wanted a direct closure below this lows, a conclusive closure that was gonna give me a direction for lower prices. As I was saying, sorry, it has not given me what I want, so I'm not gonna even attempt to go short. As I was saying, it's been slow. Yesterday I took a break even and went straight to my take profit. Just quickly show you yesterday trade. I'm gonna respond to your comments, man. But how are you, brother? So yesterday, let's see. Why did I enter yesterday? Mm, Wait, was it yesterday? I don't see yesterday's trade. I don't see yesterday's trade, eh? Let me see a day before yesterday. I'll tell you now. Oh, it was S&P 500. Okay. Uh, yeah, it was, yeah. Nope, it was not here. Where was it? So it was Wednesday. Interesting. Okay. Yep, it was Wednesday. So I was looking for Asia lows and London lows when I entered the trade. So here was a trade on Friday, on Wednesday. Very frustrating. I looked for a break below the session low. So I entered the trade as it broke below there. Stop loss was just above. I was looking for, let's see, was it this low? I think I was looking for that low. Look for the exact price. Close below there. Oh, yeah, I think it was somewhere here. Here we go. Yeah, so somewhere there. I looked for 1:2, somewhere there. 1:2. Yeah. So it went out. I moved to break even, but on my broker, after it broken low, where on this retest here, it took me out. I don't know. The spread was slightly bigger, but it's part of trading after all. But how's been yours, man? How's been yours? Instead, I got bored. I even did stocks analysis. Uh, quickly see. Because even today, it looks like it's gonna be a boring day. I'm looking to come back to these lows, but yeah, it's not happening. How's been? But how about Ziad, man? Sorry, I sometimes get lost in my mumbling. I get lost in my mumbling. How's been your trading week so? And don't forget to like the live, guys. So look at that. Just quick rejection here, and a very strong one for that matter. Leaving this SMT. By the way, this will give lower, higher prices, eh? That can give higher prices. But I'm not looking to go long. I'm so thirsty. I'm good, man. How's been your trading week though? Because look, uh, yeah, it's been slow, man. I think I also wanted to log in somewhere. Okay, let me log in. Let me log in on my broker. Let me log in. I do have trades. I didn't check them out today. It's been a horror of a day for me. Ah, come on, log in, man. Look at that. GPB CAD is still bullish. I went long USD CAD. I will look into that trade today. Sorry. Okay. While waiting for this trade to play out, we're just gonna mumble through my other trades, man. Look at that. If we get the 5 minutes invasion above, we are likely gonna see higher prices to this higher. But I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Not even gonna attempt to go long. I told myself today that I'm short. I'm not even gonna attempt to go long. Because it is holding that 5 minutes fair value gap. So a possible ride to this high is possible. I think it's way too possible. That looks, yeah, to that high. Oh, look at that. But I'm not gonna be bullish, trust me. No, I'm not gonna be. Let me not even attempt to look for the bullishness of this trade. I am bearish and I'm gonna stick to that. Oh, I am bullish. I'm gonna stick to that. So yeah. But anyway, how long have you stopped trading? Have you stopped swing trading Broadway? Okay, let's see. Let's just quickly look at my trades that I have on the Forex side and we speak about the fundamentals while waiting for that trade to happen. I have an ETF trade. I think I'm gonna call it a night on it. Um, just quickly show you. I think I'm gonna close that trade. I'm gonna close that trade. Oh, what a beautiful closure today. I should have closed at that high. I wanted that target. Let me see this ETF. How did the market close today? Perhaps I might close all the trade. So I have this ETF here. Okay. I'm gonna close this trade. Yep. Let me quickly close this trade, then we can continue an ETF trade that I have. Oh, confirmation sent. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, let's look at the forex pairs that I have and what I've traded. Because that is extremely slow. I'm long USD CAD. My take profit can be this high, can be even let me see, can even be that high in fact. But anyway, let's look at the trade that I have. I went long here, still in profit a bit, but look, I would have loved a good momentum to the upside on that USD CAD before the Fed sit. Because once the Fed sit, when they cut interest rate, I don't know where the market will move to on that trade. And then I have a trade also on USD CAD, USD JPY. So it's like a hedge over the other, and it's been consolidating over a week now. Doesn't want to break below this low, continue lower, but I'm convinced that the dollar is a bear given the weak economic indicators that are coming out from the dollar or from America. It's been terrible for them. And then I've been holding this for almost how many weeks? Let's count the weeks, how long I've been holding this trade. One, two, three, four, five, six. 6 weeks, and it's just consolidating. Nothing else. Very annoying. So those are the trade that I have. Nothing much, man. In terms of swing positioning, nothing much. I am looking at indices, but for now, where it is, no. I was also looking at SA40. On the SA40 side, nothing much has been happening as well. So yeah, it's just broken above. Look, SA top 40 index has been a beast. And I think yesterday I was looking at, oh shucks, I need to update something here. I said, what was I looking at? Was it Sasol? I said I'll speak about Sasol. Maybe I will make a video this week discussing Sasol. I discussed Sasol on the retest of Sasol. I'll look for trades to the upside. What else? Oh God. First rand bank. Was it first rand? Need to find a working strategy for me now. Here we go. Oh yes, it was first rand. Okay. It was first rand. I was looking for a closure above and it's given me the closure. And I think, oh, jumping on this momentum. I'm still contemplating because this closure would have given me a trade here yesterday, to be honest and to be fair. Here, immediately after that closure, I'll have taken a trade here, somewhere here, and to look for higher prices. My current target will be, I'll tell you now, uh, 89 Rand 28 cents for the last quarter, 29.86 cents for first round. I think that'll be my target in terms of technicals. But yeah, man, I'll make videos discussing stocks and this stuff. For now, let's go back to day trading. My phone is ringing. I need to take this call. While waiting with you. Okay. Now this changes everything. Okay, this changes everything. Yeah, this changes everything. That will be a beautiful trade, eh? That would have been a beautiful trade. Gonna take this call. So, ladies and gentlemen, sorry about that. I'm just on a call with my partner. I'm looking for longs, man. I think my bias have changed. I'm looking for longs. If we retest there and it does what I want, I'm gonna look for longs. But it looks like it is moving. And my frustration with how it's moving is, am I gonna get a trade? That's a good question. I don't know, honestly, because here, as much as, let me see, that is already tapped, yeah. I don't like it. Um, I'm willing not to take a trade here because looking at it, you could look to go long there. Stop loss below. Let me see. So that's still a 1:1. Uh, yeah, no. That's why I'm waiting for Nasdaq to retest much deeper. If Nasdaq can test much deeper, I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes closure and see how it closes. 50 minutes closure, have another 5 minutes, 15 minutes for value gap, and then we can speak something. And then we can speak something. Yeah, and then we can speak something. That will also be 50% of that range if it comes back below. Yeah, so yeah. And then from there, I'll reset this thing. And then I just want to see 1:2 how far it is. So I'm just gonna wait. Just waiting right now. Nothing else. I'm just gonna wait. Wait, wait, wait. I just call to say I love you. Checking something. Yeah, correct. They don't realize it. There's a lot of waiting game that you have to do. I'm even singing. I'm doing the idols. In between, I'll be speaking to my partner, man. It's been a while without talking to her. I just want to say I love you. The waiting is annoying sometimes, to be honest, but you have to wait. I just go. Oh, shucks, look at that. Look at that. And I think Nasdaq, it is continuing to move. It is continuing to move. And you see, sometimes you want to say, I could have, should have, that will close above that, leaving that. You could say, should have, could have entered the trade, but if doesn't meet what I want, I'm gonna trade. Okay, closed. So that's what I've been waiting for. I love the 15 closure. I am gonna look at that's 15 minutes of a look at here as a point of reaction. Today's Friday, remember, I'm not gonna stay here until very late. Um, so I have a 15 and a 5 minutes for value gap. That's a good thing. Hey, I'm gonna wait now. Now it's exactly waiting, as Broadway say. Now it's exactly waiting. Let me just quickly call my wife as well. Now it's 100% waiting. Nothing else. Yeah. Now it's 100% waiting. Yep. Let's wait and see. Let me just quickly make a call. So I'm just trying to do something here. I just call to say I love you. Hey man, God. I don't think the trade will happen that I'm looking for. I am waiting. The one is to one trade happened. Let me see. Yeah, but this is ridiculous. You can't trade this. Once it breaks above, maybe, but this is ridiculous. Ta-dam. Held that favorably gap, pull to the upside. I'm hoping that we're gonna get more momentum to the upside. But it is boring, man. Since the market is this low, I just wanted to go through fundamentals. But I think I'll have to make more videos. I need to create something for my spreadsheet. I think to make my life easy. Let me see. It's not gonna happen. Just want lower prices, man. Hey, this thing is not happening. Monile. Unga Jehovah. Upilayo. If by 9 o'clock I don't get anything, I'll be out of here. Ngimuzwile. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm still looking for longs, but given the circumstances, do not forget to like and subscribe as you're joining. Ua Jehovah. Hmm. God. I think today I'm gonna take an early sleep. Upilayo. King Semvelo. What's up, man? Like the life, brother. Kings, do not forget to subscribe, man. Kings and Velo, same. Are you going to look for a retest and go long? That's what you're saying. You're looking for that? Monile, oh God, Jehovah. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, are you trading the 1 minute or the 15 minute? And which one did you take? I'm looking for that before I go long. I don't like it, man. The only long I was seeing was this long, yeah. It's already happened, but I was not convinced. It was this long, yeah. It was this long. I think I also spoke about it. 1:2 almost hit. So it's a good trade. Even if I take a 1:7, it was gonna be a good trade. But look, I just decided not to take it. I would have loved the more retracement. This will be a good trade though. Continuation trade, yeah. That will be clean. Stop loss now maybe will be here, hoping that favor will get hold and target a 1:2, as I said. Yeah, fair enough. But what I'm looking for does not meet up, man. Are you in profit already? That would be very good trade again. Yeah, tapped into that. Okay. It is a decent trade, to be honest. Looking for that continuation. Hence, I'm saying it's a Friday by 9, which is a power hour. If I don't get that retracement to where I want to, because if I get that retracement here on this 15 minutes, 5 minutes, maybe look up, yeah, definitely I'm gonna look for longs. Okay, that's good one. 2, 3, 5, and 15. That's interesting. Please like the live, man. Let's get to the likes. Please like the live. Let's engage on the like as well, brother. And subscribe, brother. I'll truly appreciate that. Like and subscribe. Yeah, I do agree. 15 minutes. Hence, I'm sitting on this 5 minutes waiting for that retracement lower to look for continuation. I might not get that trade that I'm looking for. So, like the live, brother. And how is the trade going, though? Tolile. Oh, shucks. Well done, brother. Oh, well done, man. It's done. It is done. It's done. The trade is complete, man. That will be done. I don't see a reason why this is not done. Even here, I would have closed my trade already if I was on that trade. Oh, beautiful, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ah, that's beautiful. I missed that. Now I'm missing this. Interesting. Hey. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minute closure. I am gonna look for my trade now. Even though should I still go long even if it didn't give me this low? I doubt. I've not closed, but I feel like my target would have been hit. I know my target at 1 is to 2. My target would have been hit. That 5 closure, let's see. I'm gonna try a half a position, yeah. Here's a 1 minute breaker. Let's see. I am gonna try this. I'm gonna try this now. If that fails, I am still gonna take a trade lower. Hmm, these spreads are quite big today. I'm still setting up. Okay. Given the spread, I'll try to go long there, and then target will be there. Let me finish up the setup here. Ngimtholile ungikhathalelayo. Yeah, let's see. If it continues, then it's done. But this is a trade that I'm going to look for. 1 minute for value gap, just with a breaker. I've just covered until that breaker up there, and then stop loss just below this low here. So let's see. Uh, are you out already, or are you still holding? As I said, it might break all-time high. Is it not at an all-time high already? It is at an all-time high already. Please, brother, like the life and subscribe, my brother. It's already at the all-time high, man. Okay. Nope. Didn't retest the way I wanted. I'm gonna call it a day here. If it closed, no. Okay. My trade didn't happen. So I'm gonna cancel my limit. Right now it's a break of structure. Yeah. But I was looking for this retest here. So which means, oh, okay. It's done, man. Okay. They didn't retest the way I want. I'm gonna remove my limit. It's done for me for the day. The next trade didn't happen, but let me be patient. Let me wait a bit. Let me wait until quarter past. No. Even if you wait here and look for this trade, I think it's a lost cause, man. It's a definite lost cause here. Yeah, it's a lost cause. Are you still holding? It just decided to hold um that fair value gap above here. I just wouldn't want to trade this because I don't know where my stop loss will be. So that for me was better. I will even structure my stop loss. Yeah, so I'm just drawing. Yeah, I think this is a lost cause for me. I think the way I wanted the market to move didn't move exactly how I wanted. That is why, um, if you can go back to the stream as I was discussing potential trades for me today, the potential trades, yeah, I just don't like trading after the power hour. It gets very choppy and very volatile. So I wouldn't look for any other trade for me. Um, yeah, before the spreads increases, before all the volatility comes through. Remember, I'm just trading the 1 minute. I will discuss with you something, brother. Please like the live, brother. Please, 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 please like the live and subscribe as you're coming through. So if you joined the stream earlier, I was discussing a potential trade here at that long, but my worry was Nasdaq didn't retrace that well. But already look at that. That would have been clean already. And the next move would be there. But that didn't happen the way I anticipated. Please do not forget to like the live. King's Vezo, please like the live, brother. So, hmm, it is doing something. It is doing something. Let me hold on to this. Let me see how it's gonna act here. Let me see if it's gonna hold that support. Let's see if it's gonna hold that support. Let's see if it's gonna hold that support. But if it continues higher without retracement more, then I'm done. And then I'll explain to you other trades that I have. But I'm still holding my limit. Ungithandayo. I do have other trades, brother. I do swing trade as well. Jengawe lela bunke. Are you still holding your trade though? Dumiseni mbongeni. I'm just waiting for the next 50 minutes before the power hour. It's not being emotional, man. Yeah, I agree. If your plan says continue like that, definitely, man. Definitely. I agree with you. Stick to your plan, stick to your trade. Um, yeah, it's not even being emotional. I'm just looking at the structure. I look at the structure that I'm looking at and what I'm anticipating from the structure. And yeah, I'm not even on the trade. I'm just gonna be looking for the trade the way I want. But if by 9 o'clock, top of the hour, I don't have a trade, I don't think I'll continue looking for trade. I'm already down this week. Um, I've taken one trade. I've taken two trades, one loss, one break even, and even the loss was my stupidity after all. So just what I'm saying, you trade what you see, you trade your plan, and sometimes your plan becomes good, sometimes does not work out. Like already my bias was correct, but the market didn't give me exactly as I anticipated. So you sometimes wait, man. And I've been waiting for the past hour, so I wouldn't even start to panic now and say, as you're saying, don't allow emotions to damage your trade. You know your structure, you know what you're looking for. You know your structure, you know what you're looking for, you know your next moves. And then there's no need to panic. There's no need to panic at all. I know what I'm looking for. Uh, for example, for the next 15 minutes, I'm just gonna wait and see if it's gonna retest and go to my take profit or retest and take my stop loss, or it does not retrace at all. And if it does not retrace at all, then no trade on the Friday. And then I think the next time I'll be streaming the PM session will be after next week. What's happening next week? Night shift. After next week, I am, yeah, okay. No, after next week, perhaps. Where are you from, King? Ungitandayo lumiseni. Where are you from, King? Okay, while waiting for that retracement, let me quickly log in on my other broker here. Just want to show you trades that I have. Bongeni njalo Jehova ophilayo. Oh, it's a Friday. I'm tired. Just want to log in here. Sorry, I don't want to show you my finances. So if you look at the screen, there is a hedge funder, something that I use for my bias and my trade ideas for the week or the month. So yeah, I do have trades, but else we are looking for my trade, we'll look into it. Oh, we're still waiting for market change. Okay. Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. So for me, given how the market is moving, I'm watching at that 1 minute fair value gap here. I win. I win. Anyway, it might hold that. It might hold that. Might hold that 1 minute and just retreat to the other. But anyway, let me show you what I wanted to show you while waiting for this trade to happen. If it will happen 10 minutes before the top of the hour. If I get entered, funny enough, if I get entered on this trade, ooh, I'm on a trade. Shucks. What just happened? When I wait for this 1 minute closure and decide if I move my stop loss to break even. I don't like this volatility. Okay. Just waiting for this closure. If it closes like this, move to break even. I just don't like how it got me into the trade. It's a Friday. I'm not gonna put me in more risk. Unnecessary. Okay. Move stop loss to break even. Okay. Stop loss at break even. My target is the high. Okay. Sometimes you just see a volatility where you don't know where it's coming from. I'm not gonna put in more risk. You just look at it and be like, what the hell? But yeah, let's see how it ends. Already given a 1:1. Mungeni jalan Jehovah. Remember, stop loss at break even. Just hopeful I'm gonna get that continuation to the upside. 8 minutes before the top of the hour. Jehovah, Ukilayo. I'm on that trade, man. Let's see how this 1 minute closed. Okay, 1:2 given. Okay, let's see. Let's see, man. Okay, check profit hit. Well done. Good Friday. What's up, dude? Good Friday. You love to end the week like that, man. Okay. The market's still continuing, but taking my profit. It's a good Friday. Okay. You sometimes. Ooh, look at that. What was that? Anyway, but it's a good Friday. Welcome. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, it's a good Friday. Taking the profit, and you go home. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. I think, yep, we ended the week quite well. Um, and thank you, Kings, man. And I hope you are on a trade still, brother. You are a beast. How's the trade going, brother? Come on, tell me. Oh, what's happening? Yeah. Yeah, beast, brother. What's up? Tell me what's happening. Uitanda Mungeni. Okay. That's a good place to end the weekend, to end the week. Oh, that was beautiful, man. I have how many trades to update? Three on my spread, on my Should I show you how my thing looks like? No, I don't. Should I? No. But good trade, man. Uh, very decent. You see, when I spoke about the top of the hour being very volatile, unpredictable, hence I don't like trading, more especially on a Friday. Yes, this is good money. If my target was not this high, I wanted to hold all the way up. That will be good money. Let me see the risk to reward in there. I will tell you now. So if I held this, that'd be 1:3. Decent money. Already one is to almost 1:3.5. Let's say 3.5 for argument's sake. Um, 3.5 it's a huge. But my understanding is you just have to stick to plan, look what you're looking for, and just stick to it. So for me, um, I just stood by what I wanted to see. And what I wanted to see is this high tech. And as you said, King, it was a break of structure. And I looked at how the market was. I just didn't like the risk to reward there. And then I was like, 2 point, almost 2.25. It's not a problem. Stop loss below. And then immediately, because I don't like a volatile market, once you see something like this, you don't know where's the volatility going next. Hence, I just moved my stop loss to break even. Immediately, we closed the 1 minute because I wouldn't expect it to continue lower. The weight moved back. I wouldn't expect such terrible movement, but the market is good, and I think also you will also look at this 5 minutes for value gap here that you thought the market might come back to as a point of rejection as well and reaction, and it did exactly that. So, and if you're looking for that, there's no way you look for a trade somewhere here. So, but other than that, man, yeah, look, very good, very break even. I think it's a break even week. Oh, I'm up for this week. Interesting. Okay. I'm up 0.2%. Or 0.5. I'll do my journaling. I'm about to do my journal now. After my journal, then yeah. Okay. Are you still there, brother? Top of the hour, I'm gonna call it a night, man. But you are my nigga. So they say, you are my guy, man. Truly appreciate your love. Truly appreciate your engagement, my brother. It's been great knowing you. Hopefully, one day we'll trade together live. If we're to look at the stream thing, just on top, the ease where I can add someone, then we stream together and we stream together. People that love trading, they call this a sniper entry. I'm not about for sniper entries, but it's been a good trade, man. So, other than that, man, I truly love you, brother. It's been a great day joining me and a great deeds of patience and waiting. I think sometimes it takes a toll on someone to wait and wait, but trading is waiting. And if you don't see a trade, don't take it. I guess that's how trading is, and that's what trading is. And then, as you said, you are still holding a trade. You are a beast, my guy. I love you, man. Oh, congratulations, man. Well done. I love it for you, man. Oh, I love it. Oh, okay. I love it for us, man. But other than that, thank you so much, my brother. I love you. One day, hang in there. We might trade together. You might join me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, my brother. I love you so much for joining me. Other than that, have a great day. Have a great weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe on the market out there. Just to give you a conclusion story of my trades for the week, um, I still have a trade on USD CAD, but those are my swing positioning. Look at that swing position. It's going back to break even. USD JPY. Uh, let's see. USD JPY is in profit, but does not want to break below this support. And then this has been holding it for long. It has been consolidating. I've been paying swaps. But we'll speak about a lot of things. Do not forget to follow me on Facebook as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this live stream, brother. One of the only South African traders or stream people that learn and stream on YouTube training the PM session. So I take pride in that, man. And that I got you, my man. I love you so much. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. I love you. Do not drink and drive. And you know what they say? Be safe on weekends. Have a great day. Love you, brother.